guys, what's up and welcome back to my channel. Now why it became so important for me to make this video is first I read an article somewhere on the internet ऐसे randomly scroll करते हुए and उसमें लिखा हुआ था कि in future it will become very important for all of us to have at least some social media presence no matter the kind of work and job we do. During this pandemic you guys have seen it by your own self. So many people, even your friends, your loved ones, your family members losing their jobs. But people who were social media influencers or blogging or anyone who had any work on social media was still winning it. And earlier also I made one video about blogging and how you can start and everything, and I understand कि मैंने उसमें बहुत अच्छे से काफ़ी चीज़ें क्लियर नहीं की थी जो कि शायद बहुत ही ज़्यादा इंपॉर्टेंट थी किसी भी ब्लॉग या फिर अपने सोशल मीडिया करियर को स्टार्ट करने के लिए. सो टुडे आई एम गोइंग टू बी टेकिंग ऑल ऑफ योर क्वेश्चंस एंड आई ट्राई माई बेस्ट कि मैं छोटी से छोटी चीज़ तुम्हें शेयर कर पाऊँ ताकि तुम्हें हेल्प हो. एंड या लेट्स जस्ट गेट स्टार्टेड नाउ. मेरी आवाज़ को क्या हो जाता है टी. Now so many people ask me in their comment section, DMs, mails that they also want to start blogging, but most of us just don't know कि पूरा blogging होता क्या है. Like मुझे भी पहले नहीं पता होता था, मुझे बस ये पता होता था कि मुझे करना है, but मुझे ये नहीं पता होता था कि वो होता क्या और कैसे करते हैं. So first question is what is blogging? Okay, take it this way. When we were kids, we used to do diary journaling in which we used to write everything like our feelings, what we did in the day, what we ate in the day and things like that. Now similarly, those things are now you're putting online, so it's available for the rest of the world and you can make money out of it. काश मुझे बचपन में किसी ने ये बताया होता यार. And it's not just about sharing your And it's not only about sharing your feelings with the world. You can share whatever you want to, what you're currently doing or what you've always wanted to do. And there's literally no foundation on your age, language and culture. But इसका मतलब ये नहीं है कि तुम कोई भी ऐसे explicit content डाल दो फिर तुम मेरे पास आ रहे हो कि हमें इंटरनेट से बैनिश कर दिया. And there isn't any particular category that you should be writing your blogs about. You can even talk and share your feelings about your life. How cool is that? And to be very honest, you shouldn't be categorizing yourself at the very first place because when you're starting out, it's a very critical stage and point that you're at right now, and always experimentation is the key. Moving on, next question is how can I start blogging? Where to go and what should I do? Nice question because ये basically एक ऐसा question है जो कि starting में सबके दिमाग में होता है, सबको करना होता है but पता नहीं होता कहाँ जाके करें and कैसे करना है. Okay, so these days there are so many different apps and platforms on which you can start your blog, free blog. And how I started was I started my blog on WordPress, which is a free platform. Anyone can sign up on it and start their own blog. But there's always this confusion whenever the term blog comes. Everyone thinks that they should be having a .com or .in. That is not actually true. You can even do blogging on Instagram. I mean, so many young people are doing it. And to be very honest, these days people don't have time कि वो Google पे search करे किसी का blog and they read it. For example, tell me कि तुमने not last week, 1 month ले लो, पिछले 1 month में how many of people's blogs you have read? There's the answer. But I will suggest you guys to be everywhere because हर social media पे presence बनानी बहुत ज़्यादा important होती है once you are in this business or career, whatever you want to call it. Leaders would be Instagram, YouTube, little bit of Facebook, your WordPress or your own website, and Twitter of course. So go where more people will listen to you. And what should I do? I have already talked about the things which you can share on social media platform. For example, you can talk about fashion, you can talk about beauty, you can talk about what you did the whole day, what you ate in the whole day, you can talk about your pets. The possibilities is just endless. And signing up on any on these platforms is just very easy and free of course, and there are so many tutorials online. You just have to Google it and you will find it. Now this time you are watching me telling you all these things, but earlier I used to watch every person's video online. हर एक छोटी से छोटी चीज़ I used to Google it, I used to do it by my own self, and maybe in like some time you are sharing your own experience with so many other people. Why not? Next question is I don't even have support from my parents and not that much money to do which I want. मेरा favorite topic आ गया है family, parents and relatives. आओ बात करते हैं. So I'm going to share my experience with you all and maybe तुम्हें थोड़ा लगे कि you are not alone. मैं भी थी उस point पे. Okay, so when I started out, I was in college and as an internship कर रही थी मैं. अकॉर्डिंग टू माई पेरेंट्स, लाइक उन्हें नहीं पता था कि मैं कुछ ब्लॉगिंग कर रही हूँ. उन्हें लगता था कि ठीक है पढ़ाई के साथ साथ कुछ कर रही है एंड शी इज़ गेटिंग लिटिल मनी आउट ऑफ इट. इट वॉज जस्ट दैट. So how did they get to know about the work that I'm doing and how I later convinced them about the work which I wanted to do? So when I started my blog, I didn't tell them ekdam se ki oh this is something which I wanted to do, because I somehow knew that they will not understand. I hid this thing from them for around 1.5 years until I had something to show them, to prove something ki okay, like I'm doing it and I'm good at it. And your parents are always protective. It's not about them not supporting you. Obviously, they want to support you. You are their favorite child. I mean, why not? It's just that they have had their experiences and this area is a bit new to them. And I'm not saying you guys to hide something so big from your parents. Just try to not go after getting support from everyone around you. Just work on it and it will happen. And talking about not having enough money to start off your career in social media, okay, let me tell you what you actually require when you're starting off. Mobile phone or laptop, internet, and you. And considering that you're watching this video right now, somewhere you have these, right? And I never went behind camera, equipment and stuff like that. Like, to मेरी पुरानी videos जाके देखो and you will get the answer by your own self. So as I shared with you guys, like no one knew that I'm doing this work. So obviously there was no one to finance me. So I actually started with zero investment. I used everything जो कि मेरे आसपास था. छोटा सा मोबाइल फ़ोन, इंटरनेट, मेरे पुराने कपड़े. And when they were all over, I used to style my mom, dad, भैया के clothes, मेरे friends के clothes and what not. And the bottom line is that if you want to make it work, you have to make it work. Next question is how much you earn from your first payment from YouTube or any other social media platform. ये वैसे मैंने कभी भी कहीं पे भी शेयर नहीं किया है. ओके, सो फ्रॉम यूट्यूब तो वी ऑल नो नाउ कि $100 का एक थ्रेशोल्ड होता है, मिनिमम क्राइटेरिया होता है, उसके बिलो यू वोंट गेट योर पेमेंट क्लियर्ड. सो या माई फर्स्ट पेमेंट वॉज $100, बट आई गॉट इट आफ्टर 1.5 year. Like 1.5 year के बाद I got my first check basically. So when I started making YouTube videos, थोड़े टाइम बाद, like 1 महीने बाद, the guidelines changed. You required minimum number of followers and watch time and stuff like that. तो उसको पूरा करने में मुझे थोड़ा सा टाइम लगा. And जब वो हो गया, the applications were so much to YouTube कि उसको रिव्यू करने में और ज़्यादा टाइम लग गया. So it got me like 1.5 year. तब तक I was very regular with my YouTube videos and then I got $100. But before that, like YouTube, तो I started doing very late in my life. उससे पहले I used to do blogging, but my blogging website is still not monetized, so I haven't earned anything from the website till date. So how I earned was through Instagram. There was this brand collaboration and I posted 3 outfit pictures from that brand and I charged 500 rupees and I was way too excited that day. Like way too excited. Next question is, hi, I just started my blogging journey on Blogger and purchasing domain will be good option on Blogger. Okay, so like for example, I have never invested on domain, but it's again a very personal choice. You can. So what domain is, it will get converted into .com or .in or whatever you feel like, and then ads will start coming on your blogs and जितने लोग उसे click करेंगे, you will start getting some revenue and that's how you earn it. But yeah, I haven't purchased any domain yet because I never felt like, but again it's a very personal choice. You can. Personally, I would suggest कि let it grow naturally. पहले थोड़ा time दो उसको, and once you start seeing number and growth, definitely you can go ahead and invest in buying a domain. And again, there are so many tutorials and information about how you can get domain, buy domain, purchase domain links and stuff like that. So do check that out. I am in 10th standard and I want to become a blogger. So is there any harm taking arts in 11th? To be very honest, 11th का और आर्ट्स का कोई ऐसा कनेक्शन है नहीं. यू कैन स्टडी वट एवर एंड यू आर एट एनी एज, यू कैन स्टार्ट ब्लॉगिंग साइड बाय साइड एंड दैट्स द होल थिंग अबाउट इट. आई वॉन्ट टू स्टार्ट यूट्यूब, इज इट ओके टू स्टार्ट इट इन 2020? ये सेम मैंने क्वेश्चन अपने आप से पूछा था 2017 में आई गेस, एंड मुझे पता नहीं था कि 2020 में भी ये वाला क्वेश्चन रेलिवेंट होगा, बट इट स्टिल इज बिकॉज daily so many people are coming on the internet and as you can see internet is growing. So yeah, you can start anytime and I'm saying ki start it right now. Why getting late if you're already interested in it? How to start YouTube? Like first should I build an audience on Instagram and then go for YouTube, or doing YouTube directly. Okay, so how I started was कि पहले मेरा Instagram account था and later I discovered YouTube side. And अगर तुम्हारे पास Instagram and YouTube कोई भी नहीं है, I would say कि start building your account on both the platform because it's very important. And later personally it turned out कि जो मेरी YouTube audience है is much bigger than Instagram audience, even though Instagram मैं YouTube से भी बहुत पहले से कर रही हूँ. So you just never know, just be everywhere and yeah, you are just going to rock it. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज यूट्यूब पे कंटेंट कैसे डिसाइड करें. दिस इज माई दी मोस्ट फेवरेट क्वेश्चन बिकॉज दिस इज समथिंग विच आई आस्क माई सेल्फ एवरी सिंगल डे. एंड इफ यू आर इन दिस फॉर अ लॉन्ग रन, get ready to ask this question to yourself every single day, second, minute. I mean, you are not going to get free from this. Don't worry, I'm not scaring you guys off. So how you can start deciding content for any social media platform is that first see what is happening around. Initially following trends is okay, but later I would suggest कि तुम इसे अपना passion मत बना लो because you know it gets very difficult to come out of it. Creativity stop हो जाती है, you stop exploring things around you. So yeah, starting में it's fine to create something which is already happening around just to get there, and later you will start experimenting with your own style. You will create something of your own, and that's exactly what I did. So it's coming from my own personal experience. And anyway, even if you don't want to follow trends, just think about what you want to see. तुम्हें कैसे topics YouTube पे या फिर किसी भी social media platform पे देखना पसंद है. Try building content around that, and later your audience will be telling you and helping you out, of course, in deciding your content, what they wish to see, and it goes hand in hand, and your life becomes a lot more easier. Next question is, after getting popular on Instagram or YouTube, if any brand don't reach us, then how to do collaboration? क्या आप भी पॉपुलर हैं? क्या आपको भी वही प्रॉब्लम हो रही है? क्योंकि मुझे भी हो रही है. मुझे भी बताओ यार कैसे करते हैं. Jokes apart, okay, so how you can get recognized from brands is that start putting your details on every social media platform. घर का नंबर और फ़ोन नंबर नहीं कैरी, email address, basic email address. So Instagram पे you have an option to switch your personal account to business account, and अपने आप ही बहुत सारी डिटेल्स आ जाती है. You can just fill it up, and brands, if they are watching your profile, they will click on your email and they will contact you. Also, ऑलवेज रिमेंबर टू चेक योर ईमेल्स. हर दिन एक टाइम बना लो. आई नो स्टार्टिंग में होता है कि ईमेल्स कौन पढ़ता है, बट दैट्स एक्चुअली वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट बिकॉज वहीं पे इट्स अ गेम चेंजर बेसिकली. सो या डू नॉट फॉरगेट टू चेक योर ईमेल्स एवरी डे. एंड यूट्यूब पे भी इन डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स तुम अपना एक ईमेल एड्रेस डाल दो एंड दे विल कॉन्टैक्ट यू. But the thing which I'm going to tell you now is something which not a lot of people know about and not a lot of people talk about. Okay, so not only brand can contact you, you can even contact brand. So online जाओ, Google पे थोड़ा सर्च करो, उनके सोशल मीडियाज़ को थोड़ा सा स्टॉक करो, and you will find their email. And वहाँ पे I'm not saying कि तुम बोलो कि मैं तुम्हारा ये काम करूँगी, give me 1 lakh rupees. No, be professional. Just एक मेल प्रिपेयर कर लो, बहुत ही clean and simple सा, telling okay I'm this is my WordPress or Instagram account, I have this many followers, and yeah, you can check it out. If you love it, we can collaborate sometime in future. And what the brand will do is they will make a portfolio of various different bloggers. उसमें हर किसी का name होता है, and if they'll find you suitable, they will contact you. So yeah, you can do that too. Next question is, how much time, like minimum time, does it take to establish yourself? Because there is a lot of competition now. I think establish होने में time तब तक कितना ज़्यादा लगता है जब तक you're comparing yourself with so many people on the internet, and competition is always inside your head. And competition and saturated market तब बनती है when we end up creating the same content how other people are creating, and we are the ones who make this whole market saturated. So the best thing which you can do is, first, don't be so hard on yourself. Just be relaxed, be calm. I know कंपैरिजन एक ऐसी चीज़ है, हर कोई करता है, मैं भी करती हूँ, एंड आई लर्न दिस वेरी हार्ड वे. आई टेक सम टाइम बाय माई ओन सेल्फ. सेल्फ टॉक इज़ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट, एंड तुम अपने आप को डेली रिमाइंड करवाओ कि व्हाट इज़ इंपॉर्टेंट, डूइंग योर ओन वर्क या फिर कंपेयरिंग योर सेल्फ विद अदर पीपल. यू विल गेट द आंसर बाय योर ओन सेल्फ. So how to overcome this pressure of competition is by let your creativity out, let your natural self come out, and slowly you will see that the only competition that ever existed was just inside you. And once you will learn this ना, आसपास जो भी होगा तुम्हें फ़र्क ही नहीं पड़ेगा, तुम्हारा उस पर ध्यान भी नहीं जाएगा, and तुम ऑलरेडी इस्टेब्लिश हो चुके होंगे और तुम्हें वो भी नहीं पता चलेगा. How many views you got when you uploaded your first YouTube video? Views का तो पता नहीं, बट मुझे ये पता है कि डालते ही I was refreshing it हर एक सेकंड 1 व्यू, 2 व्यू, 3 व्यू एंड इट वॉज वेरी फन टू बी वेरी ऑनेस्ट. एंड ये बहुत नेचुरल होता है, लाइक तुमने जस्ट स्टार्ट किया, यू वांट चेक ना कि कितने लोगों ने तुम्हारी वीडियोस देखी है. बट डोंट गेट डीमोटिवेटेड अगर ज़्यादा व्यूज़ नहीं आए, बिकॉज मेरे भी नहीं आए थे, बिकॉज वी ऑल स्टार्ट फ्रॉम जीरो समवेयर, राइट. सो या जस्ट कीप डूइंग इट. एंड ये तो ऊपर नीचे होता रहता है, ये तुम्हारे कंट्रोल में नहीं है. जैसे भगवत गीता में कहा था, कर्म करते रहो, फल की इच्छा मत करो. सेम, तुम बस अपना काम करो, वीडियो डालो एंड खत्म. How to reach the audience with our first blog post? Okay, I mean I understand like how we all start from zero, and अगर हमने अपना कोई भी work डाला है, so how it will reach audience, because we don't have any audience right now. That's a good question. Okay, so what we can do is, and that's what I did as well, so you can share your work on maybe Facebook and WhatsApp groups, but with people you know. तुम strangers या फिर तुम जिन लोगों से बात नहीं करते उन्हें spam मत कर दो, वो तुम्हें block कर देंगे. Personal experience, take it. So guys, these were all the questions that you guys sent me. और भी questions थे but वो almost related ही थे, similar थे, तो मैंने सिर्फ वही लिए जिनका मैं proper way से answer कर पाऊँ and तुम्हें भी help हो. And I'm really hoping कि I was able to answer your small questions and doubts and at least helped you in a way to start off with your journey in social media. So if you're still planning that should I do it or not do it, I would say just do it, try it by your own self and you will get the answer. And yeah, let's just do it together. I'm rooting for you. Let's do it. And if you have any more questions regarding this topic or any other thing, you can always ask me in comments down below, because you guys know that I reply to your comments. And also let me know how am I looking today. मुझे validation चाहिए. Jokes apart, if this video helped you in some way, make sure to let me know. Also give it a like and subscribe to my channel before leaving, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.